And to talk more about this, let me bring in my guest, Hu Naijun, Associate Professor at School of Public Policy and Management at the University of Chinese Academy of Sciences. Welcome to China 24, Professor. First of all, I want to get your take on Foreign Minister Wang Yi's remarks that containing the virus is a race against time and not a competition among countries.
Well, I think, in my opinion, it is very obvious that not a single country can win a battle against COVID-19 alone. And more people are accepting the truth that our human being is a community of shared destiny. That is to say, we human beings, regardless of our nationality, of our religion, our color, and our gender, we must fight COVID-19 together, and we can win this battle together with cooperations. So I think that is why in China, especially our government focus presented by Foreign Minister Wang Yi that this is not a race, but a kind of cooperation. So this is not a competition, but a cooperation. That is to say, we human beings and every country must unite together to fight against COVID-19, especially in vaccinations reallocation system.
Yeah, China has been continuing to fulfill its pledge to make the vaccines a global public good, and a number of nations are using Chinese-made vaccines in their mass vaccination programs. What does that say about their trust in China's vaccines?
Well, I think on the one hand, it is the quality of the vaccines itself. That is to say, after several trials, several rounds of clinical trials, our vaccines are tested to be very effective and to be safe. That is only one hand. But on the other hand, I think it is also the regimes and systems of vaccine allocation. Because as we all know that in the vaccine reallocation systems, our government has no other preconditions, pre-requirements, and preconditions. I think it is very clear that other countries may have some kind of geopolitical requirements, may have some economical pursuing or other kind of requirements. But in China's government's goals, there's no such things as this. We purely want to reallocate the vaccines to the people. And I think the Foreign Minister Wang Yi said very clearly that not a single country and not a single person will be left behind. And I think that kind of regime, the system behind the vaccination, in my opinion, is of more importance in the battle against COVID-19.